You know that feeling? The one where you're drowning in a sea of receipts, desperately trying to categorize them, praying you haven't missed anything for tax season? Or maybe you're a small business owner, tearing your hair out over expense reports that look like hieroglyphs written by a particularly chaotic accountant. It's enough to make you want to go back to a shoebox full of crumpled paper, right? Well, that's where expense management software swoops in, promising to be the superhero of your finances. And among the big names, Expensify often gets a lot of buzz. It's known for its SmartScan technology, ease of use, and generally making the whole expense reporting process less of a nightmare. Many businesses, from startups to established enterprises, have adopted it to streamline their spending. And for good reason. Automated receipt capture, quick reimbursements, integrations with accounting software, it all sounds like a dream come true. But here's the thing with dreams, sometimes you wake up. While Expensify certainly offers a lot of advantages, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, and for some users and businesses, it can actually create new headaches. So, before you jump headfirst into any new software, it's crucial to look beyond the shiny marketing and understand the full picture. Because what works wonders for one company might be a constant source of frustration for another. Today, we're pulling back the curtain. We're going to dive deep into what people often don't talk about when it comes to Expensify. We'll explore the common pain points, the frustrations, and the potential downsides that users have encountered. Because knowing these disadvantages up front can save you a lot of time, money, and perhaps a few less crumpled receipts down the line. So, if you're considering Expensify, or even if you're a current user facing some niggles, stick around. You might be surprised by what we uncover. First up, let's talk about cost. While Expensify offers different plans, many users find that as their needs grow, so does the price tag. The per-user fee can quickly add up, especially for larger teams or businesses with high employee turnover. Some competitors offer more flexible or tiered pricing models that might be more cost-effective for specific scenarios. It's not always about the initial sticker price, it's about the long-term investment and whether the features truly justify that recurring expense. Then there's the issue of limited customization. While Expensify prides itself on its simplicity, this can sometimes come at the expense of flexibility. Businesses with unique expense policies, complex approval workflows, or very specific reporting requirements might find Expensify's options too restrictive. The platform might not allow for the granular control or tailor-made categories that some organizations need to truly reflect their financial structure. This can lead to workarounds or manual adjustments, which defeats the purpose of automation. Another common complaint revolves around SmartScan accuracy and manual intervention. While the AI-powered receipt scanning is a major selling point, it's not always perfect. Users report instances where the SmartScan misreads amounts, dates, or merchant names, especially with less clear receipts or those in languages other than English. This means users often have to manually review and correct entries, adding an extra step that can be time-consuming and frustrating. The promise of set it and forget it sometimes clashes with the reality of needing to double-check everything. We also hear about customer support challenges. While Expensify does offer support, some users have reported slower response times or a lack of in-depth solutions for more complex issues. When you're dealing with critical financial data, prompt and effective support is paramount. If you encounter a sync error with your bank or a policy issue, waiting days for a resolution can significantly impact your financial operations. Finally, while Expensify offers integrations, some users wish for more seamless and robust connections with other business tools. Depending on your existing tech stack, you might find that the integration capabilities aren't as deep or as comprehensive as you need, leading to data silos or the need for manual data transfer between systems. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.